This is what we're waiting, guys. So I'm in the bus now, and this is what I'm doing every time I travel alone. I planned everything to avoid wasting time. For example, my tours, I book it online, and I always have a printed copy with me, like this, guys. Santorini Volcano and Therassia Sunset Dinner Cruise. That's my tour for today. Just enjoy the view, guys, while I'm talking to you. So today we are going to visit the Santorini Volcano, and I hope I can do it because I know it's not easy for me. I had mutiny, a muscle problem, and then after that we will proceed to the next stop. It's swimming time. We are going to the beach where you can have a natural and therapeutic hot water from the volcano. And after that, while sailing, going to Therassia to watch the sunset, we'll be having our dinner. This tour lasts 5 to 6 hours and cost 79 euro. So guys, here's the waiting area. Dinner cruise. Daming tao.
Shore.
Look at that mountain, guys. That black layer is natural. Very nice.
In a daydream, you were lost, but you saw me through the fog. Tried to hide behind your paper and your pen, but you laughed instead. Ooh, you feel it? Ooh, you see me here? Ooh, you feel it on this steamboat? Sailed into the dark, where I dried my glasses off. Oh, before my world came back in focus, you were there.
Those rocks are from the volcano eruption. So this is it, guys. I hope I can do it. There's an entrance fee here, cost 5 euro.
Over the clouds, this life belongs to me. Soaking in warmth down to my dangling feet. Fairy dust in hand, love's in high demand.
So guys, we're going to visit the volcano.
Cause 'cause I'm flying alive and free. I'm
We'll
living
see how far it
in the
goes.
moment
So hot
every
today.
breath I
Oh my God.
breathe. I'm gliding higher, alive and free. I let the good things all just roll right into me. I turn the sun on with a wave of hand. Imagine life is under my command. Floating round below, feeling such a buzz. You want some? I'll sprinkle light your way. 'Cause I am flying alive and free. I'm living in the moment every breath I breathe. I'm gliding higher, alive and free. I let the good things all just roll right into me. Cause I am flying alive and free. I'm living in the moment every breath I breathe.
The island was much larger, so imagine like a circular island with a big volcanic cone located in the center. At a certain point, the experts say something like 1,614 years before Christ, so like 3,600 years ago, more or less, was probably one of the worst eruption in the human history. So the volcanic cone exploded and collapsed, so the seawater filled what it was the crater of this big volcano. So for quite a long period, this island, which is the actual volcano, was not existing, was just the seawater. But because here is quite an active area, Santorini is in the south of the Aegean Sea, then is the island of Crete, Libyan Sea, African continent. So we are exactly in the point where the African and the European plates converge. That means that the area is very active. So 435 years ago, because of the many eruptions, this island started to form up again. So slowly, eruption after eruption. The last one was in 1950. This island took place inside the sea. So it's like the top of a baby volcano inside the crater of a much larger, much older volcano. So it's a volcano inside a volcano. More volcano is not possible. And so Santorini is really like when you cut your skin and the blood dry on the skin. There is no soil. Whatever you see comes, from the center of the earth. So of course it's the paradise of the geologist. Each single piece of rock, you see different colors, different formation, different kind. So each one gives different information about the history of our planet. So it's a very interesting place. Now with the modern technology, they monitor also the volcano. So on the top, here by the way, we are 1/3 of the total walking. On the top you will see the main crater. On the island we have 5 craters. Only on the top you can still see some fumaroles coming out. You can smell the sulfur. Do not expect to see the lava. It's not like Vienna, there is no lava flow. Magma chamber is hundreds of meters under our feet. The crater is closed. When the pressure is going to be very high in the magma chamber, it's going to be the next explosive eruption. Now with the modern technology, they say that they could predict in advance. So they say that at the moment, everything is quiet. What is impossible to predict are the earthquakes. In 1956 was a big one, 7.2 on the Richter scale. Many people died on the island, no tourists because there was no tourism in the 50s, but it was a disaster. On the other side, the Greek government sent money to help the local to build again their houses. They built the generator to keep, imagine the life before. No electricity, they even didn't know the meaning of the word tourism. It was an extremely poor island, an island of fishermen, farmers. Now is the island of 2.5 million visitors per season. Is the island where if you want to buy a little property, especially in the village of Oya, which is the most expensive, prices for a house are between 10 and 20,000 euros per square meter. It's the most expensive real estate in Greece, okay? So many tourists, they come to visit the island, many geologists, they come to visit the island, and again, they say that for the next future, we don't have to worry about it. So, I repeat, here is Sisi, 1/3 of the total walking, okay? When we arrive on the top, you will see the crater. On the left is the point where are the sulfur, the fumaroles with the smell of sulfur. On the right, you will see a half column, which is the highest spot, which is very nice for pictures. So, if the rest of the words slowly you want to start to go, I'm going to come too. I just now repeat in Italian and then I'm going to catch you on the top to show you you will see that, where are the fumaroles. There is a spot where you can put your hands inside a hole and you can touch that is extremely hot, okay? So I'm going to run and to find you on the way.
I don't know. Unfortunately, guys, I can't go with them because my muscle is paining now. So I will stay here in the first crater. It has 5 craters, but I cannot do it. So I will stay here and wait for them.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing
This
in
is
this
all
world
I can do.
can't do. Flowers even
If
matter
you're
about
alone,
it. 'Cause they can't
taking
make it
pictures by
down. I don't
yourself
see a way
using my
around it. 'Cause everything's
selfie
led me
stick
straight to you.
and my
It's
tripod.
nothing new. Baby, I'm outside. Been
Selfie
thinking about you
time.
all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Baby, I'm outside. Been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no
Thanks God that I have my A6 shoes. It's comfortable to walk.
I'm done and waiting for you. Waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside. Been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Uwi na kami guys, ang dami pa rin pa ako. Ito na yung boat namin. It's our cruise. Mag-dinner kami.
So I will end this video here, guys, and for our second stop I will upload it in my next video. swimming and sailing while watching the wonderful sunset in Santorini. Thank you guys!